Just a short video on said my coil winder that I made. Said it was actually my first project in my 3D printer thing. So and I got this little winder and stuff, about 40 bucks from China. Everything comes from China nowadays, but it does pretty good. It needs like a fishing pole winder in the front. Otherwise, you know, you have to kind of move the wire by your fingers. But said I made a small one is a 2-inch by 3-inch coil, get 900 winds on it, and I kind of needed something a little bit more, and so I made one that's 50% bigger, and I can get 1300 on that, and it looks like I could probably get 15 to 1600 turns on that. So, but it's a little more efficient than what I made 5-6 years ago at my old place. But it was fun building, learning curve and a half on the printer, but overall kind of a fun project.